Ebusian for Mamunina Akwaba Eba Ghana and Sem TV GH. Mesra like, a comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for say if I could way so Mika say our fundraising towards a year studio setup no still is ongoing. So far we've been able to raise 7,000 out of the 25,000. That's it. Nabandewa screen I say you can help in any way you want, as you always do. Cheers. Damase. Ebusion 4. One group of people that have really sponsored a NDC 4 campaign allegedly fraud guys. And the reason is simple. When him say the more we digitize our system, the more crime can be easily traced. And yes, sir. So the way to get to offenders quickly is to be able to trace transactions. And under Akufo-Addo Bawumia, I say now fraud boys bebre omuninji. Omuninji because Ghana card and other things, postal address system and all that Akufo-Addo Bawumia dey buy, it prevented a lot of money laundering from going on and several other things in that tune. And when elections were coming around, gangi up say we would want to see the back of the NPP as soon as possible, as early as possible, not even thinking about it twice. Now, forgetting say Ghana any island. Ghana, yenye island. And when you decide, say, pay NPP asem, because NPP is not allowing you to say, obe fraud you go for no. NDC will come. You will use your money to support them. But once they become government there, they are going to borrow money. Yes, sir. They're going to borrow from the people outside the country. And as part of going to borrow, no, they would need to satisfy some conditions. And Akwakochi Abutrika, and allegedly we heard say Abutrika sponsor NDC campaign allegedly with $4 million or so US dollars. That is what the grounds is saying. Because who boys are Abutrika call court, they go and meet. No? They go there to chant. Some of them said it. Say Abutrika we now or sponsor NDC. It was one side honor. Right? Now, aside Abutrika, so no, they say we are hearing say another fraud guy has been arrested. Because US4, Omoniabre, you cannot keep stealing from our citizens and be going scot-free. And Omoniabre, they are looking out at rooting out all these criminals. And so when it happens like that, it leaves NDC are buying IT with no other option than to go and arrest the corporates and hand them over to the US authorities. And yes, sir. At see, whilst all this is going on there, bra bakwa na or gendarme, Emma NDC for pa papa Criss Waddle. Ni aswaye she rough. Na aswaye she brutal. Because one day now, from the way things are going, I say, the days of freedom are being nabbed. Yes, because after the way they are arresting the guys, Ebia by the time we realize that now also ni cap are full. And ni cap here full sana. These NDC governments who are a group of bootlickers, they cannot resist or they cannot withstand US force. You see extraditing the panel also saying, you don't have that strength, diplomatic strength, that negotiating strength, negotiating IQ to withstand a request from the judicial system of the US. And to Criss Waddle, you see, that's why I say. You see, you think now you move visa move about MPP. You are doing your own selves. And you see, had I known it always comes at last. And yes, sir.
na light be na wodi ko YouTube ni po wodi download data be kura na ade download anso munyi akufo ado aye akufo ado nyambe hira no chacha adwuma akufo ye akufo ado netimi beto aso ema ene ahiafo ma anya dollars igu omu botom na nya se bi MPP time na wonim anyama bi wo kromo ahu enwonwo wonim se kufo ba aso ahu eni enya China phone sa China phone no kura na nhyɛ da nya China phone na Motorola a soldier for near police for the ankitin bi ena na yede yakɔ kromo ahu NDC ba aso na yirai enti 2012 ena yesenya China phone bi na TV wom na nya obi na timi tobi na no kura watima to enu bi no o person card di asem abra wo bre this e wokɔ ayi one touch ekosala sim card na sim card ayet se bi said the
sim card ni 200
200 millions open one touch at all this okuta 1 million no wanya one touch no kura wokosala na ejanyame ya dom akufo ado ba ya sim card 2 CD 5 CD 10 CD ni to sim card na phone su be gum anu na ma social media nipa bebre timi ko obi ankofo dia build omo social media na oma yeje na
as your kind voice
today mama is taking 7% from the bam say oh Missy Bibia NDC did you be MP before the creative bibia enra me share Yahoo boy bi video o say e fe no wan hu say Yahoo boy say wo Ghana nyina agimi na omum kohwe MPP for omunim di omudi protect mo Yahoo boys sika na MPP for ne protect mo o say mudi musika akoma NDC for the aye campaign win power and omo cheche mo no agimi for na Criss Waddle omu wi abutre ka dia Criss Waddle ne yebeti no ena wada wona ena me no kase omo plot say omo de sofu bi omo ti sofu bi aka ho asofu na bi na de sa sofu ni information akọ say fraud no on the koyi animal boys ni bi enti implicate no na me ka say we what ha we say Ghana asofu bu odo be ko heaven asofu kure tuku omo yanko asofu omo tuku omo enti kroni de me ka no kure say nya MPP pa Ghana de
agune Nana do make sure say US.
Hey, who person with you ma? Bragana na ni ya kamera. Be we ni case no answer.
Only to what abese say we
10 years. O ma ti ma ya.
Only to abese say we japade de ko. Wuntimi mfa ne nko court. No ono abeka akire wo say wo fa onipa bra ne wo wia no. Ni enche. Na watam ne say me gyimi nti. Ne watam no ese dese je no. No awia mo ampa.
Abaya butrika no ka hu. Omo $5 million. Omo NDC $5 million. Omo $5 million the campaign. And on the track now what on 100 pieces na nko one person omo.
Yakopon santua de kanka ho.
Wajimi akwan wajimi o.
So this sika na NDC for there.
What the maomo Sam George near you. What the maomo. No omo suro so obabubo omo din. Ti no omo de na ekọ no. What the maomo. Na wa kono track ya DM Rose cars bebrebe we omo be fa ne kwa NDC be fa ne kwa
atakwa wonsa gona ya che no me mpese boni di wonsa gona ya che no yanchi no Ghana wo me ya ko che no
onu ya tina brochire yanchi no Ghana na ka yasi ya tina no Ghana ka kufu adu be me ya de na ko me amfa ne nko obeka si yanka asem no aya yadimra semra wo Dubai na akọchi Dubai ni a ombeka cho say wuntimi mfani nko krom. There is no rules for extradition ba uba Ghana nko a yatan wunti yesi yamfa nko na me de boys no ene de ombesua nyansa mo abutre kakra ne ye ni say o na mo 3x4 no 3x4 no system of musa yi mo ye best some chance na wo Criss Waddle who ye de na so betwe bie mo ene de wa free s bra na betre omo monitor ye wie we ya ye beso awso chese corona yatim no nipa mpenu kurenti si ye penu kura enka president John Mahama ye mfa ne mada enka bia ye befa NDC ni foforo no obi a wono wa babi oba ye na ye nua ba trace bu achinya sika se tam was me the 3 million to ensure. Now in Kovu aton pure water wo kromwa. Aye wo pure water wo che la omunyare. Now the what me the 300 Ghana cedis. Aye billionaire one night. Now we're down for Gloria Kani atima kwa evangelist because we say we hwekwan ya fa so nkofo di omunufu di sika na won de nu ontimi emum Ghana pa unufu susaso e bayiri so benya sika wo bayiri so benya sika
good day oni say no for anketu ano so omo na omo atenkan wo soro
wa atenkan wo soro so fa de bia anti anka wa bra
agude you say wa Kenya I said the new patriotic party yeah day
anu no waka no ya hu adwuma
adwuma so
atakura we nye leaders
agude what
ya tie na
agude adwuma so say what the baton na mama
tie me wo de tie me ansa
atakura
minu
the to be auto and you man enton
I said yes support support party
good for good who your host to ha that's all here
tie me fa boot to the embassy asema me kan o say do MPP me at teacher position ya teacher position okoye galamse adumati ne man gold board okuja to afra okoye investigation anuti ne man sa position ya pani foni ntimi hu obi te se me agune chamber me fa ye wo TikTok enti ya friend me wo kakra se me bottom na me nya aduma ma party no ade na me dey
agude makachira wo mo for boot no mu mi turu na wakana no tumo
Clearly, aduma na ya mo no. They are not helping us. Eno ne yakoka mbaka se bia ya tapa.
Thank you. Intisa hospital no, and also said your report cano. Me cannot mean say it has been fully equipped. It is equipped too. Esi hono. Yemfa nipa nkonko gumu. Have you asked yourself, nientia? Yes, you hospital, yeah, equipping hospital, na Jomahama, NTME operationalization is you sending people to work in the hospital. Aden, besine. Highest what beside home. Young come back to.
Let me help you another hospital. So those people are munim STEM school here Eastern region. Your friend or Abomosu STEM school. So yes. If you are using the road from those areas, there were 2 hospitals. A war is being finished and one more in that area. That area, crown and now me know say omoye was my friend saying recycling. Recycling product. It was being undertaken by Nana Danko Ekufuado. That's 2 hospitals within that area. So Obia onim that area no will testify it. 2 big hospitals which Ekufuado built and commission it. Abane ma eniyama nyina wom bibia wom omo live that area can testify it. Ndi to aso.
Yes, thank you. Let me say highest I'm taking you back to COVID. Okay, COVID time on the emergency situation and COVID diba no emanana do be some hospital or some attachment apart from soldiers no mbesi that hospital no musi no come friend is saying disease what do you call that hospital the soldiers nisi no what do you call that hospital it's in Accra there for no hospital na ya di COVID for no
COVID center.
COVID center, but they have a name for that hospital.
Okay,
so that kind of hospital. I've forgotten.
There's a bigger one, and there's another one at Amasaman. So Nanado Danko Ekufuado commits the Amasaman one, then commits the one which is the main officer and New Year COVID center at you can say TV3 area more. Then there's another one at University of Ghana.
Yes. Mepacho, voice of MPP. What do you call those hospitals now? COVID time for infectious disease centers. Thank you. Because of COVID in T. Nanado built infectious disease centers. He built infectious disease centers in a lot of hospital facilities all over the country. Some infectious disease centers, no, people were employed to work there. So what you say? Enti nanado a nipa of nurses, ye can nurses recruitment or ye wo Ghana and sana all free a hono mo akwa. Enya sem kitwa. Teachers. John Mahama say automatic posting for teachers. Nanado 2 minutes not easy. Nanado managed to fix the automatic posting for teachers. The teachers now almost year now into almost 1 year be now fed you according to year by year. Can you believe it? It says as we speak, we have about 41,000 teachers at home. Almost nya ejuma nye. Enra Haruna Idrisu the ababe to her say adia omo ba befa teachers 7,000 people. 7,000 no babe fano is not going to be here. The difference is that nanado or said 2022 for ne wo munim say mu school 1 year mu year BBT says national service 1 year, the next year 2023 for in a year famo. This time it na Idrisu aye na dream say no sa adina omo ye say 2023 for nim say ye ba be school there be say no aye ntugum enti mo amugu fie 2022 2023 2024 for any 2025 any the ekosu nyina no munyina obi anya application struggle for 7,000 places Ghana. So can you imagine the backlog now? NPP will come back and come and meet the mess, backlog mess, and we'll have to come and struggle again. But the house was made him as a musin, then Dr. Baumia Babe, and person me catch any senka Dr. Baumia ne baya. But this time agenda one we have a lot of them at that 80% complete, 80 something percent. And we really do no commission ma nurses no do na kwa ye juma too. And Dr. Baumia baya and will not have economy.
So highest. This is what Mame about the first commission. Yeah, commission first infection disease center. It was commissioned by 24th of January 2020.
Thank you, Orimpo. The mass AC. And then I'm person me catch guy no bisa say Dr. Baumia be then Dr. Baumia ne waswa. Yeah, a cons me man be I just read. But I know say if you look at Ghana economy now we share inflation rate. Now we share prices of goods, and you can see that there's a complete mismatch somewhere. I been see that. What you say? It is like Dr. Baumia, he will not come and massage figures. He will not come and concoct figures to cause the way say a friend is saying economy to become a mismatch, such that goods and services and prices equal. Na inflation ba never from as we speak about 2028 na Ghana inflation ye ko negative na mo twa Canada kra na mo ko negative but still na prices of goods den kosoro enti ni mitpacha me dey say America
cry 2 point something